Join me as I challenge myself to find the best essential oils for stress relief and put them to the test in my daily routine. In this video, you'll learn how essential oils can be a powerful tool for stress relief and how to use them effectively. Stress is something that affects all of us at some point or another. Whether it's related to work, relationships, or just life in general, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of anxiety and worry. But the truth is, stress can have some pretty serious consequences on our mental and physical health. It can lead to things like insomnia, digestive problems, and even anxiety disorders. And when you're feeling stressed, it can be hard to know where to turn for relief. That's why today, we're going to talk about one natural solution that you might not have tried before. Essential oils. These oils have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, and they're a great addition to any self-care routine. So let's dive in and explore how stress affects our bodies and what essential oils can do to help. So how do essential oils actually work? Well, when we inhale the scent of an essential oil, it sends a signal to our brain that says, "Hey, relax, everything is okay." This can help to slow down our heart rate, lower our blood pressure, and calm our minds. And the best part is, essential oils can be used in a variety of ways. You can put them in a diffuser, add them to your bath water, or even just apply them directly to your skin. There are so many options, and we'll explore them all in this video. Stress can also affect our relationships. When we're feeling anxious or overwhelmed, it's easy to snap at our loved ones or withdraw from social situations altogether. But the truth is, human connection is one of the most powerful tools we have for reducing stress. So, how can essential oils help us build stronger relationships? By promoting relaxation and calmness, essential oils can help us be more present in our interactions with others. They can help us listen more clearly, communicate more effectively, and even just be more patient and understanding. And that's not all. Essential oils can also be used to create a sense of calm in the home, making it easier to connect with our families and loved ones. We'll explore various essential oils known for their calming properties, including lavender, chamomile, and bergamot, and discuss how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils for stress relief, and for good reason. It has a calming effect on the mind and body, and can even help with sleep. Chamomile oil is another favorite, with its soothing, gentle scent that can help to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. And then there's bergamot oil, which has a fresh, citrusy scent that can help to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting feelings of joy and calmness. One of the best things about essential oils is how versatile they are. You can use them in a diffuser, add them to your bath water, or even just apply them directly to your skin. And the best part is, you don't need to have a lot of experience with essential oils to start using them. You can start small with just 1 or 2 oils and experiment to find what works best for you. And don't worry if you're not sure where to start. We'll cover all the basics in this video. Incorporating essential oils into your daily routine can be easy and fun. You can add a few drops to your morning shower or diffuse them in your bedroom at night. You can even just carry a small bottle with you throughout the day and take a few deep breaths whenever you're feeling stressed. The key is to find a method that works for you and to make it a habit. That way, you'll be getting the benefits of essential oils even on the most stressful days. To get the most out of essential oils, it's important to use high-quality oils that are pure and potent. This means doing your research and finding a brand that you trust. You should also be careful when applying essential oils to your skin, as some of them can be irritating. Always dilute them in a carrier oil and do a patch test before using them on a larger area. To wrap up, Remember that essential oils are a natural and accessible way to combat stress, and finding the right ones for you can make a significant difference. If you found this guide helpful, check out our other videos on wellness tips and share your favorite essential oils in the comments below.